from Little Baker Sav, and today we're going to be making strawberry sago. The ingredients we're going to need is strawberries, nata de coco,
condensed milk,
normal milk,
and coconut milk.
and sago. So first, well, we made the sago by boiling it for 10 minutes and letting it sit with the cap on for 10 minutes and rinsed it with cold water. Now we're going to put the things in. Okay. Strawberries. That all. And the cocoa.
Stir.
Now mix it well. Now we're going to put the sago in. I'm going to refrigerate it for 2 to 4 hours and it's going to be so good.
You gotta be
It's
patient
gonna be
because
worth
it's worth
it.
it.